Christmas is coming soon and we're all so excited about Christmas, why not start by painting the Christmas tree on canvas? So here we're just putting 2 coats of white paint just to make sure that the canvas is completely covered. Allow this part to dry before you start adding any other color paint. So you want to make sure the white is completely dry before painting. Take the yellow and blue to create the green you're going to use to paint your tree. And I'm sorry I forgot to put record, but this is the first part. Then you're going to mix a little bit of yellow in there to give you a little lighter color for the next part of the tree that you're going to paint. So you're just going to paint another tree a little smaller inside of the tree that's already painted. Now we're going to take some yellow and we're going to add some lights, some little yellow sparkles to the tree to serve as the light for the tree. Just going to add some red on. You're going to create your ornaments, and you can make them as little or as big as you like. You can make some big, you can make some small. That's totally up to you. to the yellow to give it a little darker tone, just to give your lights a little depth so you can see it looks like the lights are shining. You take a little white and just add a little white to the balls just to give the balls a little pop like they're shining as well. Hope you enjoyed this video.